Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. It's so great to be here with you today. Last week I told you when I got the Yarrow POM Travel Kits in, I would show you what that looked like. So here it comes in the box and it comes all wrapped up with this cute little Yarrow POM Travel Kit, cardboard around it so people know what it is, with just like what's inside. So I'm gonna leave this one the way it is because this is a gift for someone close to me. And then I'll show you mine. So I already took off the cardboard. So I love that it has this little doTERRA oil detail right here. So I could take off the plastic over that. I love that it has this. I love the blue color. I think it's gorgeous. So then when you open it up, it's still a very pretty color inside there. It's just still that blue. You have the Yarrow POM Soft Gel Complex. So this is the travel size, and this is what the normal size looks like. Okay. So this is the travel size that comes in there, which I think is really cool, convenient. You know, you can move from your big one into the little one when you need to travel. It also comes with a 15 ml bottle of Yarrow POM already with a dropper in it, which I tell you is amazing. I buy droppers off of Amazon and then put them on a lot of my 15 ml bottles, but it's nice that this one already comes with a dropper inside of it. I have not yet bought the bigger, I think 30 ml bottle of Yarrow POM. I only had the 15 milliliters. I'm just starting on my Yarrow POM journey and learning more about Yarrow POM. So I haven't used it as much, but I'm still finishing up my other 15 ml bottle, but it's nice to have another one. And then it comes with the Yarrow POM, what is it called? Yarrow POM Body, the Body Renewal System. Sorry. If you don't know already, I am visually impaired, so sometimes it's hard for me to read things, but it's the Yarrow POM Renewal System. This is the full size bottle that I already had when I got my convention kit. I'm still working through that, but then I just wanted to show you what the travel size. So then here is the travel. So it's not much different in size. It's, I guess, decently amount different, but there you go. And then these are really good bottles to have. They are glass, they are the amber. So when you're done with one of these, you could really clean it out and put something else in here. You could use lemon to remove the labels, put something else in it, and then you'd have a great bottle already repurposed for something else that has the push on it that you like, that is good for that type of thing. I use old bottles a lot for other things. I made a hair serum because I'm trying to thicken my hair. I used an old 15 ml bottle with a dropper, and I put oils and stuff in it, and I'm using that to help my hair. So I love that you can repurpose the bottles for things. So then it has like 2 compartments that you could put oils in because they have a bottom to them. And then it has this one compartment where you could put the Yarrow POM body serum in the littler one, because there's no bottom, so it'll go all the way to, there's no bottom on the netting, so it'll go all the way down to the bottom of the bag. And then there's so much room in here. You could put a lot of your other oils and things that you need to travel with. And I just think it's such a beautiful bag. I love the little, like I said, I love that little detail right there. So you guys have to tell me, did you get the Yarrow POM gift set this month? Is it something you're interested in? What do you think of it? Because I personally think this is a really cool idea. I wish doTERRA had a little bit more travel stuff, because I love to travel. I don't really, but I mean, I love to travel. I don't get to travel as much as I would like to, is how that sentence was supposed to go. But I think having all this fun travel stuff would be great. They had like permanently travel size shampoos and conditioners and things like that. My mom does live about 2 hours away, and it is a different altitude than where I am. So it'd be nice to have some of that stuff in travel size so it's easier to go see her and not have to worry about going up about quite a bit in elevation and whatnot. So that's kind of what I had for today. I just wanted to show you guys these really cool Yarrow Pom gift sets. I know I don't normally do 2 unboxings in a month, but these did ship later than my normal LRP order. Even though they were in my LRP order, they just shipped separately. So I wanted to show you guys. So again, here it is. It's beautiful. If you have any questions about Yarrow Pom, leave them in the comments below. I'm glad to answer them. I'd be happy to answer them, however that sentence goes. And I'm here for you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and thank you for stopping by and visiting my channel. Bye.